So welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to draw four faces of Naina Yogini. Now what is Naina Yogini? It is a story in Mithilanchal that Naina Yogini is the yogini who will save the newlyweds from all the evil. She will save them from every bad thing. So when they draw Kobar, around the Kobar, Naina Yogini is also drawn on all the four sides so that she is always there in the newlyweds room and she is taking care of them, and there is no evil eye which can give trouble to newlyweds. So we will start drawing this. Border is 1 centimeter, then 0.5, then 1.5 and 0.5. These are the measurements for border on all the four sides. Now I have drawn another line on the top of border, that is 0.5 centimeter. And in this line also I am drawing tirchi kach. Please mark another line of 2 centimeter. Please draw another line of 2 centimeter. Then next one is 0.5. Okay, so I will repeat 0.5, 2 and 0.5. So please draw these. So please mark 2 centimeters on this line, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. Mark till the end and draw this arch design. After marking 2 centimeter, please draw this arch. This curve, and here is a circle. I am filling this line with triangles, and later on we can fill it with colors. So we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Now we are coming to this one. So for this we have the height 2.5 centimeter. So I'll suggest everyone to draw a line at 2.5. Okay, just draw a line at 2.5. So at 2.5 we have drawn the line. Now in this 2.5 we are drawing one circle and then outline of circle. Diameter of this circle is roughly 1 centimeter, approximately this is. Then this is the line 3 centimeter, and then in the middle of 3 centimeter we are drawing this design. This is 0.5 centimeter. And now we'll make a box. The height of box is 11.5. Double line. So second line will be 0.5. It will be 12. So this line is 12. This is 11.5. Side margin, it is 2.5. And from right hand side margin also, it is 2.5. We are drawing a very simple lehra border. This center part is 28 centimeter. Now 28 divided by 4 is 7. So first tree we will draw at 7, then 14, then 21 and then 28. And here we will draw another one. I am drawing trees first so that I know that around the tree I have to fit everything. There is a door. This is a door or window from which she is looking after the bride and bridegroom. Here, see, first we are drawing a mihrab type door. Approximately, you take the height of this door, roughly 10 centimeter. Highest point is 10 centimeter. Okay, and both sides it will be roughly 2.5. 10 and 2.5 on each side. So this we are drawing the mihrab. In my house in Agra, we still have alas, we call ala. In Hindi, bada a and la. And this is the design in the ala. So we have 4 layers here. And 5th layer will be this curved design. We will draw half circle, ear, eyebrow, nose and a very big eye. Half bindi because half face is covered. Earring eye. Then this is the neck of the blouse. And this is the shoulder line coming and hand is bent position and symbolically, and I'm showing 4 bangles. This is the border of blouse. Now sari pallu is coming here, double line here, double line here. We will fill some color in sari. some bright color. Pallu is this. Again double line here and some design here. Here one hand symbolic, and this is the skirt of the sari or lehenga, whatever it is. Here design in the skirt. This is the basic design. Now on the sari we can show some small flowers as a print. I'll show you how to paint it. Very simple. I'll